How to remove an app from Android home screen without uninstalling it. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove an app from your Android home screen without uninstalling it. So to get started, head over into that specific page where you want to remove an app from. Long press on the app and then click on this minus icon. And that will allow you to remove the app from your home screen without uninstalling it from your device. So as you can see, you'll still find the app on the app drawer, but it is not available anymore on my home screen. So if you want to remove more apps, simply do that again into that specific app that you want to remove. And then you can also drag it up to this minus icon to remove the app from your home screen. So that is the two ways for you to remove an app from your home screen without uninstalling it on your Android device.